guys, and welcome back to Salty Tales.
Welcome back.
Today we have, look at this. Today we have a bunch of things here, guys. And we're gonna make a soup that my wife came out with the name.
It's Tuscany Creamy Chicken Soup.
There you go, guys.
What a long name.
That's a good name. I mean, it sounds Italian.
Yes, e parla italiano.
There you go. So we're gonna do that Tuscany Creamy Chicken Soup. And it's gonna be awesome. And for you guys out there on the call, man, a soup is the best thing you can have.
Yes.
So let's go for it, guys. As always, I'm gonna be filming. Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking. That other ninja is gonna be doing everything else. Let's go for it.
Let's go. Okay, guys, as always, the first thing we need to do is preheat our Ninja. So let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on, sear and saute. We need to open our lid, press start, and we'll see you in 5 minutes. Guys, since our Ninja has been already preheated, let's start with our delicious recipe. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use a little bit of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, let it melt a little bit, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small white onion, and we're gonna go ahead and saute this for about, I would say 3 minutes. Once the onions are translucent, then we're gonna start adding the rest of our ingredients. So let's work on our onions here. What are you doing? You're not supposed to do that. You need to wait. Listen, he just got home from work, but the reason why I'm showing you this awesome recipe, because this soup you can make it in only 7 minutes and it's delicious. Now our onions, you can see they're already translucent, so we're going to add up our chicken. It's about 1 pound of chicken breast cut in little pieces. Let's brown them a little bit. Our chicken has changed colors. It's not pink anymore, it's almost white. So we're gonna go ahead and add at this point our tomatoes, a whole can of peeled tomatoes. Let me show you right here. This one's here, Italian style. And we're gonna try smash them or cut them in pieces. And we need to use our liquid from the can. Let's use about a teaspoon and a half, 4 cups of chicken broth, a can of cannellini white kidney beans, 2 quarts of salt, some pepper. We're going to add 8 ounces of the medium shells. You can use any pasta that you like. I mean, you can use the penne, you can use the fusilini, you can use any pasta that you want. And we're gonna add this straight into the mix, and it's gonna be half of this. See? So let's go ahead and get ready to pressure cook. All of the ingredients are being put together, so let's go ahead and pressure cook for 7 minutes. Close our lid. Pressure. High. 7 minutes. We'll see you back in 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes has passed by. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick release. Quick release is done. Pin is down. So let's go ahead and open up the soup. Wow, look at this, how beautiful. Perfect. Look at the pasta and everything. This is just gorgeous. If you guys can smell this. Now what we're gonna do at this point is we're going to add 2 cups of baby spinach. Let's go ahead and mix it for 30 seconds. And our final step, we're going to add 8 ounces of heavy cream. Look at this, how pretty. And that's it. We're done.
Well, guys, this is awesome. I mean, I wish it was a little bit colder here in Florida today, but we're gonna try this soup, and I cannot even describe to you the smell, guys.
Yes.
This thing smells better than Olive Garden soup.
Yes, as a matter of fact, our daughter, this is our dinner tonight.
Yep.
And she just had a plate and she goes, Mom, how do you do it? This is even better than Olive Garden.
That's a big deal for us. We love Olive Garden.
Yes. Don't forget the Parmesan cheese on top of it.
Yep.
You gotta put lots of it, as much as you want. And let's go ahead and
for it.
try it.
I'm dying here.
Oh my gosh. Man, this is good.
Wow.
This is really, really good.
Smell better than Olive Garden soup. Taste better
than Olive Garden soup.
This thing is delicious, brother. What happened? This thing is awesome, and Jorgito wants to try it too. You know, he gets excited every time I say delicious. So this thing is amazing. This is awesome. This is so easy to do.
That's simple.
7 minutes.
So
few ingredients. It's not a big deal at all. Wow.
And
this
the
thing is
pasta,
good.
you know what I love about it? Al dente, my dear. So 7 minutes with a quick release, and you will get any pasta in the Ninja FOODI al dente. And this is super tasty.
Wow. I'm not a soup lover, guys. I'm a little meat lover, but I'm not a soup lover, and this is amazing.
Super good. Super creamy. The combination of the cream and tomato, it brings down the acidity of the tomato, actually.
Yes, it does. And the cheese goes really good with it.
Yes.
The cheese brings all those flavors up. It's amazing, you know. Something that you should look at is we put a little bit of salt, extra salt. We put like a fourth of a teaspoon extra once it was done, because we were missing a little bit of salt in there, but it's amazing. I'm going with the bread.
The chicken, you can really taste every single flavor that's in this soup. And it's for you guys, the ones that are cold out there. You're gonna enjoy this so much because it's so hearty, right?
I'm sorry for you guys.
And you've been asking for soup, so here it is.
We have M Bucket TV from Boston. I'm sorry, brother, but this you have to try it. We have That's Dominican is in New Jersey. Snow everywhere. Man, give it a try.
Yes.
This is awesome, guys. Easy, simple, and fun. All you have to do is have the ingredients with you. I mean, go to the supermarket before you come home. Drive by the supermarket, grab a few things, drop it in the Ninja FOODI. Give it 7 minutes, and you have a dinner, which is awesome.
Yes,
it's great. It really is great.
And to all our followers, thank you so much, guys. We really enjoy reading all your comments. I mean, we love you guys.
How was that?
We love you guys.
That was with a lot of strength.
Yes, because we love you guys.
Well, guys, we're gonna finish our dinner now.
Yes, because it's dinner time in this house.
Yeah, so if you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Yes.
If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments, anything in mind, any more recipes that you would like to see, any advice, any questions, please put it down there in the comments. We read all the comments, we answer all the comments. That's it for now, guys. Remember that I love you.
We love you.
Woo! soup, baby.